TikTok algorithm has changed forever, and here's why. It's no secret that views have dropped off a cliff. Before, you could do a trending dance with a trending sound, hashtag For You page, and you had 100,000 views in an hour. I even tested my theories against the TikTok algorithm, and I grew 3 accounts, one to 20K, one to 45K, and one to over 85K. That is until January 1st, 2023. Views halted. Big creators started to scramble, and something really peculiar was happening in my notifications. But I'll get to that later. The real question is, why did our video views fall off a cliff? Now, in order for you guys to understand what's happening on TikTok right now, I need to take you back to 2016 on YouTube. Casey Neistat said about content creation that you have to show up to work every single day. And he posted a vlog every single day for a whole year and gained 2.5 million subscribers.